Welcome to this beginner's guide on using Bybit mobile application. Bybit is a well-known platform for currency trading, especially popular for derivatives. In this video, we'll cover the essentials you need to get through or to get started on Bybit. Whether you are new to crypto or just new to Bybit, we'll walk you through each feature, from setting up your account and securing it to making your first trade and monitoring your assets. So let's get started. First, let's download the application and get your account set up. If you already have Bybit installed, feel free to skip ahead. But if you're brand new, follow along. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your mobile device. Search for Bybit and select the official application. Tap Install or Get and wait for the download to be completed. Once the application is installed, open it and tap on Sign Up in the front page of the Bybit application since you are creating a new account. So fill in your email or phone number and create a strong password. But if you already have an account, just like me, tap Login and enter your details. Now that your account is created or logged in, let's move to security settings to ensure that your account and assets are really safe while using Bybit. Security is essential when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Now let's enable some key security features to protect our account on Bybit. On the main dashboard, you will notice a profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. You just need to click this, and here you will notice the security settings or the security icon. I want you to navigate inside that interface, and here when you scroll down, you will notice this Google two-factor authentication turned on my account. So how you can turn that on? Just head into the passkeys, and here you need to click the Add a Passkey and click the Continue button. Here you have to send a code to your email address that you use for your Bybit account. You can also set up the Google Authenticator here by pasting the Google key that was generated by Google Authenticator and just click the Confirm button once the process is done. Also, I want to add that you can consider enabling withdrawal whitelist. So just click the withdrawal security. So only specific pre-approved wallet addresses can receive funds from your Bybit account. So let's turn that on by clicking this toggle switch. Before turning it on, you need to again verify it using your email address and using your Google Authenticator. These security features are highly recommended to protect your assets on Bybit. Once you're set, you're ready to fund your account and ready to go trading. Now that our account is secure, we need to start trading. Well, to start trading on Bybit, you will need funds in your account. So let's get over the deposit process for both cryptocurrencies and fiat. From the main screen, you will notice this assets icon on the bottom right corner of it. Click the assets and then head to deposit. Once you select the deposit, you have two options to do, which is to buy crypto with fiat and deposit with crypto. So let's start by depositing with crypto. Once you click this, you have an option to do, which is to select the available cryptocurrencies that you can deposit. For example, is the 1-inch network. You just need to tap on that network and then choose a chain type. Here you have to copy the given wallet address and paste it into the wallet or exchange you're sending funds from. For fiat deposits, tap Fiat Deposit and follow the steps for your region to deposit using bank transfer. So let's do that again. Click the deposit and here you will see the buy crypto with fiat. Select the buy with PHP and there you can now deposit using your fiat. Or you can now perform fiat deposit using this method. Just enter the amount here and then you're done. Once you have deposited funds, they should appear in your Bybit balance shortly. Now with funds in your account, let's explore how to place your very first trade in Bybit. If you're interested in more advanced trading, Bybit is known for its derivatives market, so let's take a quick look at how to access and use them. Go back to the trade section that we visited earlier and then swipe to access the derivatives at top. Well, you'll find popular future markets like BTC to USD perpetual. You just need to choose a pair to enter their trading interface, which is here. Just enter the trading and then choose the BTC to USD. So you can set leverage for your trades. Remember that higher leverage means higher potential returns, but it also comes with a higher risk. So use the buy or long and sell or short options to trade. depending on whether you believe the price will go up or down. So you just need to watch on the chart and watch for the networks or the token's price based on the current pricing of the market. If you're interested in more advanced trading, Bybit is known for its derivatives market, so let's take a quick look at how to access and use them. Go back to the trade section that we visited earlier and then swipe to access the derivatives at top. Well, you'll find popular future markets like BTC to USD perpetual. You just need to choose a pair to enter their trading interface, which is here. Just enter the trading and then choose the BTC to USD. So you can set leverage for your trades. Remember that higher leverage means higher potential returns, but it also comes with a higher risk. So use the buy or long and sell or short options to trade, depending on whether you believe the price will go up or down. So you just need to watch on the chart and watch for the networks or the token's price based on the current pricing of the market. Before diving in the next guide, I want to remind you that derivatives trading can be complex and carry significant risks. So start small and understand the basics first before trading with leverage or with higher money. So let's dive in tracking your portfolio. So let's check your portfolio. You just need to click the asset button again on the top or the bottom right corner of the screen to see a summary of your holdings. Here you will see all your total balance along with a breakdown by asset. You just need to tap on any specific asset and view your details, including recent transactions and performance charts. You can also access different things here, like deposit, withdrawal, transfer, convert, or the giveaway. And then tracking your portfolio will help you stay on top of your investments and monitor the performance of each asset that you are currently holding in your account. So if you ever need a quick view of your holdings, the Assets tab is your go-to place. Now, are you ready to withdraw? Bybit allows you to withdraw funds easily, whether you are sending crypto to an external wallet or cashing out fiat. So to do that, you just need to return to the asset sections that we accessed earlier. Click the assets and then you will see there the deposit and withdraw, transfer and convert, and also the account or the assets tab. Here you just need to click on the withdraw and then choose the asset that you want to withdraw. For example, is the 1 inch. Of course, you need to input the wallet address that you'll be withdrawing these funds to. You also need the network type or the chain type that you are doing this transaction, and lastly is the amount. So remember, crypto withdrawals are irreversible, so double check and be careful in inputting the details. While for fiat withdrawals, just follow the instructions based on the available methods in your region. You just need to tap the withdraw button once you are done or to confirm, and verify your withdrawal request via two-factor authentication or using email verification. That's all there is to withdrawing, so just remember to double check all the details, especially the wallet address when you are sending crypto. And that's a wrap for our Bybit mobile guide or beginner's guide. So here's a quick recap again. We covered downloading and setting up your account, enabled important security settings, funded your account with deposits, and made our first buy and sell in the spot market, which is here. We explored also the Bybit's derivatives and trading options. So check how to track your portfolio, and finally we learned how to make withdrawals. We hope you find this guide very helpful and that you feel confident navigating around Bybit. Remember, always trade responsibly and take time to learn more about the markets or the cryptocurrency. So thanks for watching, and again, happy trading.